I'm estate planning attorney Hollis Logue, and I've been an attorney for over 25 years focusing in the area of estate planning. So I'm out on my bike today and I'm riding along and I'm about ready to head back to work. And I thought to myself, what are the 5 biggest mistakes I've seen in estate planning? So let's go over them. Let's start with number 5. All right, number 5, I have clients that are physicians. And in fact, some of them are emergency room physicians. And they've told me to recommend to my clients that they put a copy of their health care directive in their glove compartment. Also, be sure and give a copy of that health care directive to your doctor. You don't want to be surprised in any emergency situation. Number 4, failure to take care of that one problem loved one. You may have a loved one with money problems or drug or alcohol problems. If that hasn't been addressed in your estate plan, you are giving that loved one and your family a serious misservice. Have that addressed. Check out, deal with loved ones with problems. Yeah, they can get the same amount of money or a regulated amount of money that the other ones get, but make sure that you've accounted for their particular money problem, drug problem, or alcohol. Whatever it is, that can be addressed in your estate plan. Estate planning mistake number 3, forgetting to put the deed back into your trust after you've refinanced your home. I see this all the time. The loan company said they'd handle it. Well, most of the time they don't. It's up to you to go back and check on that deed. Check with the recording company. In fact, if you've not received that deed within a few weeks, it probably hasn't been recorded. Actually, check that all of your deeds are in the trust and that all of your assets that should be in the trust are in the trust. But particularly, pay attention to deeds. Number 2, we're getting so close to number 1. Number 2 is a failure to review your estate plan with your family. Why keep secrets? It's so important the family knows your wishes. They know what's in your documents. In fact, in my office, families are encouraged to come in and meet with the attorney to go over the estate plan, so there's no surprises. Keeping your estate plan from your family, waiting to the last minute, can only cause problems. All right, here we go. The number 1 serious mistake that I've seen in my over 25 years as an estate planning attorney. Most clients fail to have their estate plan periodically reviewed. It causes so many problems. Why wait until something strikes? That estate plan needs to be reviewed. And so many of you have gone to attorneys that, well, maybe doing estate planning is just part of what they do. It's way too important. Go to an estate planning attorney that focuses on estate planning. Don't go to one that does a dozen other things. Your estate plan will likely be shortchanged. And get that estate plan reviewed. Remember, no surprises in estate planning.